15 simple tips on how to naturally manage and prevent kidney stones. 1. Drink lots of water. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your urine diluted and help flush out potential stone-forming minerals. 2. Lemon juice. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into your water, as it contains citric acid that can discourage stone formation. 3. Reduce oxalate foods. Cut back on foods high in oxalates, like spinach, rhubarb, and beets, as they can contribute to stone formation. 4. Calcium-rich foods. Include calcium-rich foods, like dairy products, in your diet to bind with oxalates and prevent stone formation. Consult a doctor for proper calcium intake. 5. Control sodium. Limit your sodium intake, as excessive salt can lead to stone formation. 6. Healthy weight. Maintain a healthy weight through diet and exercise, as obesity can increase the risk of kidney stones. 7. Limit animal protein. Reduce consumption of animal proteins, like red meat, which can raise the risk of stone development. 8. Stay active. Regular physical activity promotes overall health and can help prevent kidney stones. 9. Herbal teas. Consider herbal teas like dandelion root or nettle leaf, which may have diuretic properties, to flush out toxins. 10. Basil juice. Some people believe that drinking basil juice can help dissolve kidney stones. 11. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is thought to be helpful in preventing kidney stones due to its antioxidants. 12. Eat watermelon. Watermelon is high in water content and can be a hydrating, stone-preventing snack. 13. Avoid soda. Stay away from sugary and carbonated drinks, as they can increase the risk of stone formation. 14. Moderate caffeine. Limit caffeine intake, as it can lead to dehydration, which is not good for kidney health. 15. Consult a doctor. If you suspect you have kidney stones or have a history of them, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment options. Always remember that these tips may vary in effectiveness from person to person, and consulting a healthcare provider is crucial if you suspect kidney stones or need guidance on managing them naturally.